Welcome to the live lounge. We have ourselves a football mixer. 11 crazy boxes is what's going to make this mixer go. 15 immaculate, 14 immaculate, 15 high tech, 12 playbook, 14 absolute, 12 absolute, 15 strata, 14 platinum, 15 museum, 14 select, and 13 exquisite. There's some fun stuff in there. Actually, you're all going to want to cheer for LeBron James getting pulled. There is LeBron James cards in there. If that does get pulled, everybody in the break has a shot at that. So just throwing that out there. Let's get going. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Nine times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There's 9 times. Alright, we'll mix you guys up, and the ladies, ladies and gentlemen, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There it is, 4 times. Whoa. Alright. John D with the Bears, Adam B the Browns, Thomas B the Colts, Jim KOL. We actually had 2 Jims in this one. So Jim KOL, the Bills. Matt H, the Dolphins. Jim KOZ, the Cowboys. Robert S, the Seahawks. Chris W, the Saints. Jared S, the Rams. Robert S, the Bengals. David B, the Steelers. Robert H, the Falcons. Ryan S, the 49ers. Blair M, the Vikings. Ted F, the Cardinals. Blake H, the Chargers. Beatrice M, the Lions. Max B, the Jaguars. Todd G, the Patriots. Charlie C with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Adam C with the G-Men. John D with the Texans. Eric Z, you got Tennessee. Brett A with Denver. Andrew M, the Raiders. Kenneth A, Carolina. John B, the Chiefs. Andrew G, the Eagles. Eric Z, Baltimore. Clint L, Washington. Alan K, the Packers. And Eric G with the Jets. Alright, so that's that. Let me get you the Emmett. There we go. Alright. If anyone wants to trade, feel free. We actually, if you're a fan of mixers, we have a new baseball mixer up. A new basketball mixer. The basketball mixer is moving quick. There's a lot of boxes in that one. That's a big one. And then hockey. We actually have 2 hockey ones up. We have a 4-box cup hockey mixer with 0506 cup box in there. Hot stuff. It's already half sold out. It breaks tomorrow. Get in it. And then also there is a another Mick Eichel mixer with new hockey stuff. So we got 2 different varieties there. And then there also is a Battle Royal Wrestling draft mixer that's up. So got a lot of mixer things. We're going to keep them coming. I'm going to get another football. I'm actually working on another football one to do. Actually going to be more boxes in this one. Going to go for quantity. So I'm trying to narrow it down. Looking at like 16, 18 boxes, I think. So that should be interesting. Should be a lot of fun. And it should actually have a lower price. So it's interesting how that works. Trying to mix it up a little bit here. The Eagles are for trade, if anybody would like the Eagles. This break's going to be relatively quick. I'm going to start with the Platinum. It has the most packs, coming in at 20 packs. And then we'll move on from there. Eagles are for trade. Don't worry, I'll give it a minute here if anyone else wants to trade or wants to see if anyone's interested in their team. So we're going to start with 2014. I like the mix. You got 2012, there is 2013, 2014, 2015. So a little mix of players that are possible to get. Ted, let me take a look real quick for you. Ted. You had one spot, all right. You had Arizona, the Cardinals. Alright, doesn't look like we have much trade chatter, so we're going to jump right in the break. Good luck. You could always trade during the break. It's happened before. All the cards will go out for this break. Not a lot of base to be had, so they'll all go out. Michael Sam rookie for the Rams and a Julius Thomas blue parallel for the Broncos. Logan Thomas, rookie, Cardinals, and a blue Romo for the Cowboys. Bishop Sankey, rookie for the Titans. Jay Cutler, blue for the Bears. I got a C-Strunk, rookie for the Redskins, and a Pierce blue for the Ravens. Just doing the football mixer right now. If you're a fan of mixers, we got them up for all sports. We even got a wrestling one. Take a look at them. I just talked about them. Very cool. Charles Sims, rookie for the Bucks, and a Jordy Nelson blue. If you go to dacardworld.com and type in DACW live mixer in the search engine, it'll bring up all the mixers. You can also check all of our breaks out, but if you're just looking for mixers, that's a quick, easy way to find it. Got Charles Sims here for the Bucks and a Keenan Allen blue for the Chargers. Got a sweet cup mixer that's going to go off tomorrow. It's moving quick. And like I said, I'm going to work on some football mixers and whatnot. So a lot of cool stuff coming down the pipeline here. We got a Brandon Cooks rookie for the Saints. Earl Thomas for the Steelers. Our schedule for next week is up. We also have breaks for tomorrow. So if you're looking to, do a little Friday break-in, we're the spot for it. Blake Bortles, rookie for the Jaguars. And Mike Glennon, blue for Tampa. I know Legacies is up for tomorrow. It's only got 6 spots in it, so that's going to be gone before you know it. I got an Ace Sanders blue for the Jaguars and a Brandon Coleman auto for the Saints. That's first hit. Shaquille Evans, rookie for the Jets, blue Robert Mathis for the Colts. Another Evans for the Jets. Alex Smith, blue. Another C-Strunk for the Redskins. Pierre Thomas for the Saints. Jordan Matthews, the Eagles. LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles. Got a Ryan Matthews blue for the Chargers and a Rob Blanchflower Blanche for the Steelers.
She Blanche? She number the best of the Golden Girls?
No. Darqueze Dennard rookie for Cincinnati. And the man, the myth, the legend, Tom Savage, 3-color patch auto. Absolutely the greatest football player named Savage to ever play.
I know you're a Rose guy.
I dare, huh?
You're a Rose guy.
Oh, dude, they're all equally amazing. None of them step ahead of each other. Jordan Matthews, Eagles, and a Percy Harvin blue. Austin Seferian Jenkins, rookie for the Bucks, and a blue Darrelle Revis. Whoa. Austin Seferian Jenkins again for the Bucks. Cecil Shorts for the Jaguars. Andre Johnson blue for Houston. Got a Kelvin Benjamin die cut. Oh, and that's a Kelvin Benjamin rookie. There you go, for the Panthers. And last pack of the Platinum. Eric Ebron rookie for Detroit and a Von Miller blue for Denver. All right, so let's do these one pack wonders right here. We'll start with Strata. We have a Vic Beasley out of 800 auto for Atlanta. And there you go, Cardinals. Nice hit. David Johnson relic auto. Very nice. And we'll hit high tech up here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a John Elway, purple for Denver, and how about a famous Jameis auto?
Come on.
Jameis Winston, there it is.
Just one box.
For Tampa, 1 box. That's a case hit right there. We have acquired 1 case hit so far in our mixer break. Yes. Famous Jameis Bucks hit. Awesome. All right, let's do these ones that are oddly shaped and just sitting here. There it is, and a nice one touch. All right. We'll do some 2014 action. All right, so we got the Jameis Winston from the high tech. That's a case hit. Let's see how many more case hits we can acquire along the way here. That's the ultimate goal when you do a mixer, right? Get as many as you can. All right. All kinds of stuff here. All right, so we got the Jadeveon Clowney, Blake Bortles, Bishop Sankey, Dante Moncrief. We'll set that to the side. That will be random off. Khalil Mack, Hog Heaven for the Raiders. Cody Parkey out of 99 for the Eagles. Trey Mason relic, quad relic out of 249 for the Rams. If you buy something on the site, we can break it here. We should have time after this break. We do have another group break at 5 and 5:30. But this one should be over before then. We have a Kelvin Benjamin out of 249 for the Panthers. Mike Evans out of 49 for the Bucks. Antonio Andrews out of 99. Titans. Out of 249, dirty Trent Richardson. Literally dirty. Relic for the Colts. Jarrett Boykin. Auto for the Packers. And a Justin Hunter auto. Out of 50 for the Titans. All right, come on. 2012. Let's do this. We have pulled some nice stuff from this in previous mixers. All right. We'll start with a Bryant Young, Fabled Fabrics. Cool. Old school out of 99 for the 49ers. All right. We have a rookie signature silver, Jarrell Worthy. That's for the Packers. What do we have here? Devin Still. Amazing story with his daughter. That one's out of 25 for the Bengals, which leaves us booklet. Rookie playbook out of 149. Andrew Luck. Yes. 2-color patch auto. Andrew Luck. Rookie playbook out of 149. I do believe we just collected our second case hit. Doesn't want to get into focus for me. There it is. Awesome. Where else can you get a Jameis Winston rookie auto and an Andrew Luck rookie auto? Awesome. Let's keep it rolling. We'll go 14 select. That. All right. We'll leave one with the players' faces for last. All right, let's keep it rolling. 2 case hits so far. Cam Newton, red. Prism out of 75 for the Panthers. Don't worry if you're just tuning in. All the cards are going to go out. So, no worries on that. Cincinnati Perry, Bears rookie. And a Matt Forte Prism for the Bears. All right, got a green Stevie Johnson, 5 of 5, awesome, for the 49ers. And a Troy Polamalu pink out of 199 for the Steelers. Timmy Jerrigan rookie for the Ravens. And an Isaiah Crowell out of 35 auto for the Browns. Low numbered. Russell Wilson, 2014 MVP insert, and a Kelvin Benjamin relic out of 399 for the Panthers. All right. Oh, this is cool. All prisms. Here we go. Zach Martin for the Cowboys. Aaron Donald for the Rams. Keeper Bibbs for Denver. David Fluellen. This is not. It's for the Colts, just so you guys know. For the Colts. And a James White Patriots. All prism. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow. So they're all going to be numbered. Okay. So we definitely hit the hot pack here. Or the hot mini box. Isaiah Crowell for the Browns. David Fowles, rookie. Well, that was a rookie too. David Fowles for the Bears, rookie. Dion Buchanan, rookie for the Cardinals. Clinton Dix, rookie for the Packers. And a Brandon Oliver, rookie for the Chargers. All right. Chris Borland, rookie for the 49ers. All Prisms. Pretty cool. Damian Williams. Yes. Rajon Neal. And then we have a rookie autograph, Blue Mojo of Bradley Roby. I'm going to have to look that one up. Let me set that aside. Yes. Yeah, we can, anything that's in stock on the website we can do. The only things you have to check with is make sure that we're actually here. Make sure that it's actually in stock. And then also you want to check to see if we have any group breaks scheduled. Just ask us. Like, we have a 5 o'clock and a 5:30 group break scheduled, so we have to do those. But we can work the personal breaks in between those. Dominique Easley, Patriots. D. Ford for the 49. Jeez, wow. D. Ford, Mulligan for the Kansas City Chiefs. C.J. Mosley for the Rams. Josh Huff for the Eagles. And a Telvin Smith for the Jaguars. This pack looks extra thick. Brandon Coleman. The Saints. Brandon Oliver for the Chargers. James White for the Patriots. Keith Wenning for the Ravens. And a beautiful 4-color patch auto of Eric Ebron. 3 of 5. Awesome, guys. This has to be one of the better mini packs from that case. There. We'll do Exquisite. Everybody fingers crossed for that LeBron James card. And everyone's got a shot at it. It has happened. We actually pulled the LeBron James for a customer during a personal break. All right, we'll start out with a Cordell Stewart out of 70 for the Steelers. Can you look this one up for me?
Bradley Roby?
Yeah, you don't. Is it
Denver?
Is Denver?
Yeah.
All right. Denver.
Champion.
Did you see this?
Whoa.
Yeah.
I saw that.
The 5?
Yeah.
Andrew Luck. I know. Keenan Allen, 2-color patch auto out of 125 for the Chargers.
You always get at least 3 case hits.
I'm trying.
You got 3 case hits.
I know.
You always do.
I'm trying. That's the point of it.
Oh, I don't try. You're right.
No. Yeah. Eric Reed out of 70 for San Fran. Yes. How about Charlie Ward out of 125? That's random, right?
Yeah, you didn't play.
Yeah, he didn't play at all. He went right to the Knicks. And since the Knicks aren't in the break, everyone's got a shot at the Charlie Ward. That's pretty cool.
Heisman Trophy winner.
We have... Who's this out of? Can't even... 80, okay. So it's a Geno Smith auto out of 80 for the Jets. And this is nice. How about a rookie auto out of 99 for Kelvin Benjamin?
Woot.
Very cool. All right. So we'll do this next. All right, so we got a Luck rookie auto, Jameis Winston rookie auto. What else can we add? Ebron is nice out of 5.
How do you get that?
I know that's pretty cool. Even the other redemption I got.
What? Oh, the
Yeah.
Roby?
No, is it Roby? Yeah, the Roby. Blue Mojo?
I think that's just the blue refresh.
Yeah, something different. Better than the regular.
All about that mojo.
Mojo. All right, all the cards are going to go out. We have a Bill Are you kidding? Are you kidding? We have a Bill Bentley out of $3.99 for the Lions. And how about a Big Ben auto for the Steelers? Black Spectrum 8 of 10.
Oh, just
I know.
7.
Out of 10. Big Ben auto. Yes. The hits, they are still a-coming. This is going to rank right up there with one of the best football mixers.
Just think what that cup mix is going to be like tomorrow.
Boom. All right. Another nice card. And I put this in here for a Lucker Wilson. And we just pulled ourselves a Big Ben.
Yeah, he's got Super Bowl rings, too.
Yeah. It's not too shabby.
Only one, though. The other one was stolen.
What?
He didn't deserve this at the first one.
Okay. Jamel Fleming out of $3.99 for the Cardinals. And an A.J. Jenkins on-card auto relic out of $2.99 for the 49ers. Rashad Mendenhall, Spectrum. Oh, how about a 5 of 5? Another out of 5 base parallel. This time for the Steelers. We did get that Stevie Johnson one. The 49ers. Yeah, you didn't see that. And what is this? Dwayne Allen 2-color patch. Out of 49 for the Colts. I already got 2 autos, so let's see if we get another one. Tyrone Crawford Spectrum auto out of $2.99 for the Cowboys. All right, here we go. Museum collection. All right. Devontae Parker out of 99 for the Dolphins. And very nice. Out of 50, Kevin White. A nice 3-color patch up there for the Bears. Got another random here. We got Todd Gurley, Melvin Gordon, Marcus Mariota, and Jameis Winston, quad relic, out of 99. So we have an auto and a relic card left. Adrian Peterson out of 60 for the Vikings. And, ooh. Sean Manning, 5 of 5. Another 5 of 5 low hit card.
Dang.
All right. Very nice. It's been one heck of a case. Or it's not even a case, just one heck of a mixer. Got the canvas card, reproduction, Sammy Watkins, and a Le'Veon Bell relic out of 249 for the Steelers. All right, here we go. Immaculate, immaculate to end. Sweet. All right. We'll start making.
Hang what?
Putting the names on. I brought the invoices over. Ben Tate out of 99. Hey, let's keep that 5 of 5. Oh, nope, sorry. 6 of 6, Dre Archer. Glove for the Steelers. Steelers having a heck of a break. Thought it was going to be a 5 of 5. Oh, yeah. How about a Jarvis Landry 7 of 8? Yeah, you're going to be here. We have a Sammy Watkins 2 of 50 4-color patch for the Bills. Bishop Sankey out of 49 3-color patch auto for the Titans, and we'll end on a very nice D'Angelo Williams 2-color patch auto 60 of 60 for the Panthers. All right. Last box. Yeah, they're quick ones. 5 and 530. All right, this is what we're gonna do. Look at this. The bottom card is a redemption. Here we go. Sammy Watkins out of 99 for the Bills. We have a quad relic. Andrew Luck, T.Y. Hilton, Dante Moncrief, Philip Dorsett out of 49 for the Colts. Wow, this is a beauty. Immaculate 4s. So this is 7 of 15. We got Tevin Coleman, 3-color patch. Duke Johnson, 2-color patch. And then David Johnson and Matt Jones. So that's another card that we'll have to random off. And let's just keep the randoming coming. Melvin Gordon, Andre Williams, and Monty Ball out of 49. Come on. Jason Witten out of 49. There you go, Dallas. And we'll end on a rookie patch auto of Philip Dorsett for the Colts. All right. So we had that Mannion 5 of 5. These two are base cards out of 5. We hit the hot pack. Calvin Benjamin out of 99. The Ebron out of 5. Then you got the Ben Roethlisberger auto. Jameis Winston. And the beauty, the Andrew Luck 2-color patch booklet auto, rookie year. There you go, guys. This could be a case hit. The Ebron, that could have been a case out of 5, 4-color pack. I mean, we definitely did very well here today. The mixer, very cool. I'll look to get another football mixer up. All right, we got a couple of randoms. So we have that triple card, Immaculate Fours, that quad car from Museum, the quad insert, and then everybody in the draft has a shot at Charlie Ward. All right, guys, let's do this. So let me get random.org up. What I'll do is I'll roll one die. All right, it's got to be 3 or more, and that's what it is, 3. We'll do that for all the randoms. We'll do the team ones first. We'll end on the one with the group. So we'll go caps locks so you guys can see. We'll start with the insert. So you got Jadeveon Clowney, Houston, Blake Bortles, the Jags, Bishop Sankey's Tennessee, and then Dante Moncrief is the Colts. 1, 2, and 3. The Jags take that one. Next, we'll do the Museum collection. So that's Jameis Winston, Todd Gurley, Mariota, Melvin Gordon, 3 times overs on top. 1, 2, and the winner is the Rams take that one. Then we will do the Immaculate. And that had Tevin Coleman, that's Atlanta. Duke Johnson, Cleveland. David Johnson, Arizona. And Matt Jones, Washington. 1, 2, and the winner is Arizona. Our last card to random off for just the teams is going to be Melvin Gordon, Andre Williams, Giants, Monty Ball for Denver. 1, 2, and the winner is San Diego. All right, and then the Charlie Ward, which is everybody. So good luck to everyone. One, 2, and 3. David B. There it is 3 times. David B. You got yourself a Charlie Ward. All right, guys, ladies, children, family, pets that were watching. Thanks again. Like I said, we have 2 hockey mixers. We got a cup mixer and a McEichel mixer. We have a basketball and a baseball mixer up. Just did the football one, so I'm going to look into doing another football one, and might look into doing a high-end football and basketball one, so we'll see where that takes us, but we'll definitely get another, I got another football one coming in, trying to do it right around the $50 mark, so it'll be fun for everybody. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll be back.